Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the bottom freezer drawer in this LG refrigerator, you will need a flathead screwdriver. Fully extend out the top freezer tray by lifting the front, then pull out the ice container. Next, pull and lift out the freezer tray. Lift the bottom freezer drawer out from the rear. Set the drawer on a flat surface and use the flathead screwdriver to unclip the drawer divider from the back to remove. To install the freezer drawer, hook one end of the divider onto the new freezer drawer and snap the other end in place. This can be difficult. Place the drawer back inside the freezer. Slide the tray back into the guide rails. Then insert the ice container. The LG refrigerator should now be ready for use.